Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to find length of loop in linked list. Let's see the problem statement first. The problem statement says we have to write a function that checks whether a given linked list contains loop, and if loop is present then returns count of nodes in loop. Let's see an example to understand the problem statement. So we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a loop 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can see that length of loop is 4 since there are 4 nodes present in the loop. Now let's see the algorithm for the given problem statement. We declare two pointers, that is slow_p and fast_p. Start traversing the linked list and move slow_p by one node and fast_p by two node. When slow_p becomes equal to fast_p means loop is present in the linked list, we start new traversal from slow_p and then count nodes till our pointer again reaches the slow_p pointer. Let's implement this algorithm and demonstrate it using an example. We have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a loop present 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the function count nodes in loop, we declare two pointers slow_p and fast_p. We initialize both slow_p and fast_p with the head of the linked list. So initially both pointers slow_p and fast_p points on 1. In first iteration we move slow_p by one node and fast_p by two node. So slow_p points on 2 and fast_p points on 3. In next iteration slow_p points on 3 and fast_p points on 5. After this iteration slow_p points on 4 and fast_p points on 3. Finally, in next iteration both slow_p and fast_p points on same node 5. So we stop the traversal and pass this slow_p in the function count nodes. Count nodes is the function which counts number of nodes present in the loop. In function count nodes we declare variable res and initialize it with 1, and we also initialize a variable temp with n, which is the slow_p pointer, and start traversing the linked list and move temp to next node. So res becomes 2 and we move temp forward and update value of res. Value of res now becomes 3 and temp is moved to next node. Res is now equal to 4 and temp points to 4. Since next of temp is equal to pointer n, we stop the traversal and return res. Finally, we get output as 4. So this completes our algorithm. If there is no loop present in the linked list, then we simply return 0. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.